In this Joinchat review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this WordPress plugin. If you have any questions, please comment them below, and I'll also leave a discounted link so you can always get your money's worth for Joinchat. Joinchat lets you capture leads through popular messengers like WhatsApp. The first step is logging into Joinchat and downloading the WordPress plugin. Once you've downloaded the zip file, if you come over to WordPress, go on Add New, Upload Plugin, and choose the zip file. Once you've installed and activated, that will show up here. As we can see, I've installed this now. Now first, what I'm going to do is go on the Joinchat settings, and we have three lots of settings: General, Visibility, and Advanced. So I'm just going to go through General first. So the first step is add in a phone number. You can obviously select the country code and enter a number into there. There is different add-ons with random phone and support agents. You then can set your custom message. This obviously comes with the example: hi, I need more info about this. And you can obviously add your vars as well. If we wanted to go ahead and just use this example, we could just double click and that'll use that for us. We then can select an image. So this is automatically set to WhatsApp, but you could go and select image, choose from one of your own images, or upload your own as well. We then also have the tooltip, which is a short text shown next to the button. So I've just set that to what can I help you with. We can then set the position on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it on right. And then you can set the button delay in seconds. So that's the time since the page has been opened before it pops up. So I'm going to do that at 2 seconds. You could set it to only display the button on mobile devices. You could set it to open WhatsApp web directly on your desktop. And you could also ask it to display a QR code on desktop that you could scan with your phone. We then have the chat window. So we've first got the call to action. You can set this to a custom message, and again, set the vars. So I like this message, so I'm going to double click there, and it will leave us at that one. We then have the button text, which is set to open chat, and then the theme color. So if you click on there, you can select which color would fit in with your website. There's then the option for a dark mode. So you can do no, yes, or auto. So it detects devices' dark modes. The header, so you could go for powered by Joinchat, WhatsApp logo, or custom and set your own. We then have the chat delay, so it's automatically set to 10 seconds. You could turn that down, or you could set it to 0, which would disable it. Page views and notification balloon. Once you're happy there, if you go on save changes, next to general, we have visibility. So this is our visibility settings. So here is where you can configure on what pages the chat will be available. So when it's set to global, it comes up on all of them. You could select it if you just wanted it on the front page, or 404 page, or search results, etc. Next to visibility, we have advanced. So here we've got the opt-in text. So opt-in is a user's consent to receive messages from a business. So obviously you could set this as your own terms and conditions, or copy and paste it from elsewhere. We can also set opt-in required, so they have to approve it to enable the contact button. And then below that, we've got conversions, where you can add a Google Ads conversion. Once we're all happy there, if we go ahead and go on save changes, it's worth noting as well that you can also test your number by clicking on text, and that will take you over to WhatsApp, where you can continue to chat. So for an example, if I go over to my WordPress page, go on view, as we can see, after a few seconds, the WhatsApp button has popped up. Here I can open the chat. We've got hello, can we help you? As we set it, I just set thanks as my opt-in text. So when you tick that, you go and open chat, and this would then take you over to WhatsApp. So what did I think of Joinchat? Joinchat made it really easy to capture leads through WhatsApp. The installation and customization settings were also really straightforward. I especially love how you could even customize the image or the theme color. I think Joinchat is a fantastic WordPress plugin, and I would definitely recommend. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.